Good morning, this is Kay with Around the House with Kay and Tom. I am going to make a quick avocado salad today. What you need is your avocado. You need a cup of little tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, a cucumber. You need 1/2 of a red onion, a small red onion. You need 2 tablespoons of virgin oil, and you need 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, salt and pepper. You need 1.5 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. So let's just get started. We're going to take 3.5 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to take 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice, and this is fresh lemon juice. I have just squeezed this lemon. Not that one, but this one. And then we're going to use red wine vinegar. 1 1/2 of red wine vinegar. So let's get that in there. There's 1, and let's do 1/2. There you go. And let's just stir that up a little bit and let it just be sort of mixing together. There we go. Mix that together. And we'll just set it aside for a moment. And we'll cut up the avocado. We'll take a cup of tomatoes and my cucumber. First thing, let's get this avocado cut. We're just going to cut it in about the size that you want your pieces to be. And you know, it is so much easier just to make your slices and then cut off the skin. And make sure your avocado is ripe. And the way you tell if it's ripe or not, it needs to be soft but not mushy, just a little soft. Now, this was a medium-sized avocado, but I did actually get 2 of them because I didn't know whether or not one of them was going to be enough. We shall see in just a second. I might have to go and get the other one too, but we shall see in just a second. Okay, and we're going to cut up this cucumber. Now it says that you can use English cucumbers. I just got one of these that's wrapped in the plastic wrap. Had a bad spot on that one, so I've cut that out. And all you have to do is cut up your cucumber and your avocado. It's not a lot to this. And the thinner you can slice them, the better it'll be. And the reason I like these cucumbers is that the skin is thin. If you get a cucumber that has thick skin, it'd be a lot better if you peeled it. You know, the weirdest thing is Tom has all these slicers and dicers and all this stuff, and I still just cut it up. You can either leave your cucumbers whole or you can cut them in half, whichever you prefer. I personally like it in halves, or quarters at least, simply because the dressing that you put over it, you don't really have a lot of dressing, and I like for it to sort of soak in. So I'm just cutting these up just a little bit. There's your cucumbers. Now we're going to cut up the avocado, and I'm just going to cut this up in chunks. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope y'all are having a really good day. They're calling for rain here. Seems like everybody's getting rain floods or something, but we usually have a night rain lately. Like I say, I do have another avocado, so if when I get to, if this doesn't look like it's really enough avocados, we'll put just we'll cut up the other one. And I'm going to just cut my tomatoes in half. You can also use just a whole tomato and cut it up in bite-sized pieces. And you need a half of a red onion. That's a strong red onion too. This really gives your salad a good flavor, but it makes it pretty too. And I think you really need to gauge how much avocado you've used compared to what else you're going to put in there. If you use a real big avocado, you might need a little bit more onion. There we go. Let's put that in there. Let's give it all a stir before we do anything. Let's just mix it all up. All right, a little salt and pepper. Not much. But you do have a tomato in here, so a tomato is always better with salt and pepper on it. And now we're going to just add our dressing over the top of it. And just gently stir it up and try to coat all your ingredients. You can set it in the refrigerator and let it chill for just a little bit before you serve it. And I'm just going to show you how it looks in a plate. And there you have a simple avocado salad. You have avocados, cucumbers, red onion, tomatoes, and your dressing is the red wine vinegar, olive oil, and lemon juice. Now I think we're going to sit down and eat this, and then I've got company coming over tomorrow. They say it is good for a couple of days, so we will have a salad tomorrow. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and will come back to see me again real soon. Have a good day.